Good evening, everyone. I'm making this video on the night of Friday, 3rd, 2026. On the night of Friday, March 3rd, 2026. So, and this is how far we have come on the funded account. Like I told you guys last week, I've been a bit busy. So you guys just have to manage me like this. And I promise entering the new month, which is the month of April, I will start documenting everything, as in you'll be seeing my entry and TP. I will screen record everything. But now I just can't. Seriously, I just can't. So sometimes I fail to record when I'm supposed to record because of busy schedule. So you just have to manage me this week for this week again. And next week we start from where we stopped. So this is how far we have come. This is a summary of this week, and also this is the, I think this is the end of March 2026. We are entering a new month from, is it Tuesday, or I will check later. But we are approaching a new month already. So this is how far this month was a tough one. I don't know if it is because I got to funded, and I'm a kind of like emotionally attached to the account that I don't want to lose it, and it makes me go crazy. It makes me go crazy. So I will make a mistake and keep repeating it. I don't know why. I know why, yeah. I know why it is emotion. So that is what I need to work on, and I promise myself that starting from next week, which is a new month, which will be a new month as well, I will improve very much on that aspect because it is dealing with me. So, and this is what I'm talking about. I showed here. I'm bringing this to the public. Like, I don't need to hide it. I'm bringing it so that you people will also know my weakness, and you people will know that you are not the only one that is experiencing it. Trading is not an easy one, but we just have to keep moving. We have to keep disciplining ourselves until we get to the top. So this was what happened this week. I showed here clean, clean. So it came here. I saw this as a point where it will not get to if it will keep selling. So I broke even here. Like, this trade was a good one. I tried here. I broke even here, and it was break even hit. So on this, I got $107 on this trade, which was massive. Then on this one, I lost on this, and my account was remaining. I think how many? That is the what I got was remaining like is it $80 or thereabout. So I lost on this. So again, this was where my problem started. Like, I started feeling somehow. I wasn't emotionally okay this week. So I sold here. Imagine I sold here. My mind told me that it will be coming back to buy. I'm just putting this to the public because I'm here to learn. We need to be learning from each other. Let nobody claim sense here. So I'm not a type that will come and claim as if I know everything. So me too, I also know my weaknesses, and this is what I'm showing to the public because I am learning in public. I decided to learn in public. So that I opened a YouTube channel doesn't mean that I'm perfect. It's just for me to learn, like, and later come back to, let me say, what I put out there to see how far I have come. So that is one of the reasons. So I sold, it moved a bit. I closed on $2 profit. Imagine what I did, guys. So thinking that it will come back here for me to sell again. So it kept selling. It kept selling. So when it got here, I saw what I'm trading here, which is like when continuation entry. If it comes back to a fair value gap, a 30-minute fair value gap for 1 hour, which is this place, which is enter the fair value gap. So I will now go down to 15 minutes or 5 minutes for entry. That is, if I see a market structure shift on 5 minutes, I will just enter the trade. So, and this was it, a clean 1 to 3 hours. This was a market structure shift, as in market structure shift or engulfing candle. This is a engulfing candle. You understand? And I can. This is a market structure shift. This one here, and this is engulfing candle. So this engulfing candle is enough for me to enter. I was supposed to enter here. I entered and later closed. It came back again. I felt like it had failed. Why not just trade your setup? So after every it hit TP. Imagine. So this was the. a 1 is to more than 1 is to 4 hours plus this one was a 1 to 3 hours, so making it 7 4 5 6 7, almost 8 hours, which is enough to pass my account. So I failed that one. Then this one was the one I decided to sell, and then I hit a sell. So I hit a sell in a massive way. So this was a place where I messed up, like my psychology, everything changed here. I sold, I sold. So when it was coming back, I was in a little bit of profit. When it was coming back, I decided to add again in order to close the one I sold earlier, like trying to get a better entry when I've already defined my stop loss and entry. Is that not stupidity? That is so stupid of me. But what has happened has happened. I just need to take correction. So it came back here. I added another position, and all of them hit me out. So that got me losing. I think how many dollars? Okay, I lose this one in the midnight. So it is just like today. So here, this one again. This one gave me some huge profit. Came back and hit me out. So this one also, I entered to position here. I entered to position here out of emotion, and it hit me out. So today, only today, I lost $70. So that $90 I got from the other place, I've lost $70 in it. So and this place again, this is that my continuation entry strategy. So I could have waited for it to mature, but I didn't. So because of that, I took an L which I wasn't supposed to take. So I just took an L of $8 here because I closed when it was coming back. Like this candle, I saw it and know that there was no more hope. So I closed. And this was what I traded. This is what I wanted to trade. This thing here. This thing here. This is a engulfing candle. This engulfing candle. Then coming back for me, I will just enter. So this was engulfing candle. This is what made me enter the trade. And my SL will just be above here. So let's go to the one I traded after an impulsive move. That is my continuation entry strategy. This is it. Imagine. I was the one that marked this, so then I was waiting. I was waiting. So at a point, I just felt like it was supposed to. My confirmation was for it to close here. Then I will start buying. Close here or close here. Like that. A candle for a candle to engulf this, or just close above this thing I marked. This line I marked here. I couldn't wait. So I just felt like I was emotionally attached to trade. Like I felt like FOMO. So I felt like the trade is giving me, or I will be entering with a bigger SL. So I bought here. Immediately I bought here, it just started selling as if the market was against me. So guys, that was how this week went to. Seriously, that was how this week was like, and I'm very pissed and ashamed of myself. So had it been it was this one I took, even this is a kind of order block which the market resetted. So this one now, I will say that it won't hold. You understand? So I might or might not take it, or even if I will take it, then I will wait for another engulfing candle here. Then I will now buy from here. You understand? But this one I just bought from here, bought at the top, took blindly. But no problem, we keep going. I learned in a hard way, guys. I learned in a hard way. So for now, what I'm waiting for is this. Like I wanted to enter this trade today, but we are coming to the end of this week. It is 2 minutes to 9 already, Ghana time. 2 minutes to 9. So I think the market will be closing by in a minute time. I think in a minute time the market will be closing. So that is this is what I'm expecting for the market to come here. Either it comes here and enter directly, or I wait for it to give me confirmation. Then I will buy. Looking for 1:5 hours almost, or 1:4 hours will be okay. So next week we go again. Next week we go again. I really messed up and I hope it won't happen again. Because next week will be like, don't worry, I will not just say. Let me not say it. But next week, like everything will be documented clean and clean. There is nothing to hide. And I don't normally hide. So Please, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, if this is your first time, do well to subscribe and then click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a video. Subscribe and let's grow together, guys. Let's grow together. Let's learn from each other. So this is what I'm expecting from next week. But when the market opens and you decide to push down, then fine. But for now, this is what I am seeing. So I might be entering with a confirmation because it will be happening already on Monday. So as you can see, the markets are closed already. So catch you guys next week. And my baby boy is saying hi to all of you. So they just took light now. So that is why everywhere is kind of dark. My face went dark, as you can see. So catch you guys on catch you guys on Monday. Catch you guys on Monday. On Monday we go again. So this week, in case I forgot, I will also post it on the screen for all of us to see. So this week we went home as we came. It was also a break-even week. So we are still down $6 on this account. So we made a profit of $4, which is just like break-even. Same thing as last week, we made a profit of $7. So we keep going. We keep going. We keep so far there is account, there is hope. But next week I will not be like I will not have mercy on this account seriously. I will take the risk I see on the table, and that is just what will happen. That's just what will happen. Is that I am risking 0.5. That is a half percent, as in 0.5%, or I'm risking 1%. So let's go, guys. Catch you guys next week. Catch you guys next week.